Hello there! This video explains how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Ford Focus Mk2 Hatchback. That's the car that looks like this. And there's more good news. It's an easy job that only takes 1 minute. Come on, I'll prove it to you. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, here's how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Ford Focus Mk2 Hatchback. First, pull the wiper arm off the window. Next, grip the blade like this. Then twist it in the direction of the arrow. Okay, the old blade's been removed, but how do you buy the correct type of replacement? Simple. Go to a website that sells blades, then select your car's year of registration, 2005 for example. Now select the hatchback body style and, of course, Ford Focus Mk2. All these factors have to be correct if you want to find the right blade. You'll now receive a recommendation from the website. Compare the length of the recommended blade and the connector that secures it to the arm to the old blade and, of course, ensure there's a match. For the particular car we're using in this video, it's a 380mm. To fit the new wiper blade, first position it correctly in relation to the wiper arm. So, note this bar on the blade that's marked by the red arrow. It has to be pushed into the space on the wiper arm marked by the blue arrow. But there's more to it than that. So, note this section of the wiper arm between the yellow arrows. It mates to this section of the blade that's a similar length. In contrast, this part of the wiper arm is narrower and it mates to this narrower part of the blade. Next, push the tip of the wiper arm through the blade and squeeze the arm and blade together. Now, push the whole lot back onto the window, then test it to check it works. Okay, there's a final point to consider. The Ford Focus Mk2 Hatchback is available with different types of rear wiper blade. The particular car in this video is an early example and it has the LX trim and, as I said earlier, it takes a 380mm blade. However, even if your car takes an alternative blade and the installation process is slightly different, this video still points you in roughly the right direction. And that's it. That's how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Ford Focus Mk2 Hatchback. And look, I told you it would only take 1 minute. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Among other things, there's more Ford Focus stuff. Oh, and do me a favour and click like on this video. Right, that's all for now. I wonder what else I could do in 1 minute.